adventurers! In this video, I'll discuss the top 4 credit cards for airline miles in 2023. With so many alternatives, I looked into the best cards and chose my favorite 4. You'll avoid some decision-making paralysis this way. Stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time is never easy. There are a lot of ifs and a lot of wandering around, trying to choose which one will be better to start with. You don't have to worry about this anymore. In this video, you will find out about 4 credit cards for airline miles that are among the best in 2023. And instead of choosing between 50, you'll have to choose between 4 only. Now let's hear about them, shall we? Starting at number 4, we have the Delta SkyMiles Platinum. The Delta SkyMiles Platinum card is co-branded airline credit card, offered by Delta Airlines and American Express. It is designed to provide cardholders with the opportunity to earn miles and access travel-related benefits when flying with Delta. Pros: strong earning potential. The card offers a high rewards rate, which can add up quickly if you fly Delta frequently. Travel benefits. The card provides various travel benefits, such as a free checked bag, priority boarding, and a companion certificate each year, which can make your travel experience more enjoyable and cost-effective. Purchase protection. The card comes with a range of purchase protections, such as car rental loss and damage insurance, and a baggage insurance plan, which can provide peace of mind when making purchases. Additional benefits. The card also offers access to various other benefits, such as travel and emergency assistance, roadside assistance, and access to special events and experiences. Co-branded card. As a co-branded airline credit card, the card is designed specifically for Delta frequent flyers and offer benefits that are tailored to their needs and preferences. Cons. Limited rewards flexibility. The card's rewards can only be redeemed for certain expenses and purchases, which may not be as valuable for some users. Limited acceptance. The card is an American Express card, which may not be as widely accepted as Visa or MasterCard. Annual fee. The card has an annual fee, which may not be worth it for those who don't use the card frequently enough. Delta-specific benefits. The travel benefits offered by the card are specific to Delta, which may not be as useful for those who frequently fly with other airlines. High spending requirements for some bonuses. The card may require high spending amounts to earn some of the bonuses or rewards. It's great for people that want to earn rewards for Delta purchases. Value travel-related benefits. Want purchase protection. Want access to additional benefits. Are willing to pay the annual fee. It's not great for travelers who don't frequently fly with Delta. People who prefer rewards with greater flexibility. Individuals who prefer a card with a lower annual fee. Individuals who want a card with a wider acceptance. Those who can't meet the high spending requirements. Let's focus on the rewards. You can earn 3x miles per dollar on eligible purchases made directly with Delta, including flights and vacation packages. The card also earns 2x miles per dollar at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery, and at U.S. supermarkets. All other eligible purchases earn 1x mile per dollar. To redeem your rewards, you can use them to book flights, seat upgrades, and other travel-related expenses, or for merchandise, gift cards, and other options. To redeem, log into your Delta SkyMiles account and follow the instructions on the redemption page. Now for the welcome bonus. New cardholders can earn a welcome bonus of 90,000 bonus miles for spending $4,000 on eligible purchases during the first 6 months of account opening. The annual fee is $250. When it comes to the intro APR, it's unknown, but the regular APR is 20.24% to 29.24% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is also unknown, and the foreign transaction fee is $0. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. At number 3, we have the United Explorer card. The United Explorer card is co-branded credit card. that's designed to help you earn miles for United Airline flights and everyday purchases. The United Explorer card is a good option for anyone who wants to earn miles for travel with United Airlines. United specific benefits. The card provides various United Airlines benefits, such as free checked bags and priority boarding. Travel insurance. The card includes travel insurance, such as trip cancellation, interruption insurance, and auto rental collision damage waiver. The card offers exclusive access to United events and experiences. Purchase protections. The card provides purchase protection and extended warranty coverage. Chip and contactless technology. The card has a chip and contactless technology for secure and convenient payments. Mileage plus miles. This card lets you earn mileage plus miles for United Airlines flights and everyday purchases. Cons. Annual fee. The card has an annual fee, which can be a significant cost if you don't use the card frequently or take advantage of benefits. High interest rate. The card has a high variable interest rate, which can add up if you carry a balance. Limited redemption options. While the card lets you earn mileage plus miles, redemption options are primarily limited to travel-related purchases. United Airlines focus. The card is focused on United Airlines, so it may not be the best choice if you don't fly with the airline often or prefer to have more flexibility in how you use your rewards. Tiered reward structure. The card's reward structure is tiered, so you'll need to spend a certain amount to earn more points per dollar. It's great for United Airlines flyers, travelers looking for insurance coverage, United fans, people looking for purchase protections, those who want to earn mileage plus miles. It's not great for non-United flyers, people who want to use miles with other airlines, those who don't want to pay an annual fee, those who can't meet the spending requirements for the welcome bonus, people looking for high rewards rates. Let's focus on the rewards. Cardholders can earn 2 miles per dollar spent on the United Airlines purchases, 2 miles per dollar spent at the restaurants and on hotel stays, and 1 mile per dollar spent on all the other purchases. These miles can be redeemed for flights, seat upgrades, merchandise, gift cards, and experiences, or transferred to the other Mileage Plus members. Now for the welcome bonus. You receive a one-time bonus of 50,000 miles after spending $3,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. The annual fee is $0. Enter annual fee for the first year, then $95. When it comes to the intro APR, it's unknown, but the regular APR is 20.74% to 27.74% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater, and the foreign transaction fee is $0. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. Coming in at number 2, there is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. When it comes to travel credit cards, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is one of the best options. That's because it might be a good fit for both novices and experts in optimizing rewards when it comes to points and miles. Pros. Flexible rewards. The Chase Sapphire Preferred offers valuable rewards in the form of Ultimate Rewards points, which can be redeemed for the variety of travel and non-travel options. This flexibility allows cardholders to choose the rewards that best fit their needs. Bonus points. The card offers a generous sign-up bonus of points for new cardholders who meet certain spending requirements, which can provide a significant boost to their rewards balance. Travel benefits. The card provides a range of travel benefits, including trip cancellation interruption insurance, baggage delay insurance, and travel accident insurance. Purchase protections. The card offers purchase protections and extended warranty coverage, which can help protect cardholders against accidental damage or theft of their purchases. 24/7 customer service. It can provide peace of mind and assistance if issues arise with the card or rewards program. Cons. Annual fee. The card comes with an annual fee, which some people may find to be a significant drawback. However, the benefits and rewards of the card can often outweigh the annual fee for those who use the card frequently. and take advantage of the benefits. High spending requirements. To earn the sign-up bonus, cardholders must spend a significant amount of money within the first few months of opening the account, which may be difficult for some people to achieve. Limited point transfer partners. While the Chase Ultimate Rewards program offers a variety of redemption options, the number of point transfer partners is limited compared to some other reward programs. Average rewards rates. While the rewards rates of Chase Sapphire Preferred are solid, they're not the highest in the market, which may make the card less appealing for those who are primarily focused on earning rewards. It's great for frequent travelers, rewards enthusiasts, customers who value purchase protections, people who value 24/7 customer service. It's not great for people who don't travel, people who don't want to pay an annual fee, those who are solely interested in cashback rewards, people with low spending habits. Let's focus on the rewards. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card rewards cardholders with ultimate rewards points on all their spending. Cardholders earn 2x points per dollar spent on travel and dining purchases, and 1x point per dollar spent on the all other purchases. The rewards can be redeemed for a variety of travel and non-travel options, such as airfare, hotels, rental cars, cruises, cashback, gift cards, and merchandise. Points can be transferred to a variety of airlines and hotel loyalty programs at a 1:1, which can be valuable for frequent travelers. Now for the welcome bonus. After making $4,000 in purchases during the first 3 months after account opening, you'll earn 60,000 bonus points. The annual fee is $95. When it comes to the intro APR, it's unknown, but the regular APR is 20.24% to 27.24% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater, and the foreign transaction fee is $0. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850, and in the first place we have the American Express Platinum. The American Express Platinum card is a high-end credit card that offers many benefits. The card is designed to provide a premium experience for cardholders, with a focus on luxury and convenience. Pros: outstanding membership rewards on travel and lodging, with high reward rates. Generous introductory offers for brand new cardholders. Nearly all cards have a bonus category, but this one is the superior to most of them. Extraordinary benefits for luxury travel. This card offers a range of advantages that make travel incredibly convenient and enjoyable. Some can also help you save money on recurring travel expenses. American Express has increased the flexibility of payments on its cards with its pay over time option, which is for charges over $100, and a revolving line of credit with interest charged on any balances carried forward. Cons: annual fee. The card is among the most expensive ones accessible because American Express charges a very high annual fee. Flight and hotel booking limits. It's usual for premium travel cards to encourage or require booking through the issuer's travel service to obtain the most generous rewards rates. As a result, you must book directly with an airline or American Express Travel, either over the phone or online, to earn points for flights and hotels. Limited high reward categories. Unlike some other premium cards, the American Express Platinum does not pay significant points for purchases other than those paid for travel and lodging, such as gas or dinners out. It's great for frequent travelers, travelers that want the best of luxuries in traveling. People that love spending a lot will justify the card's high annual fee. It's not great for people that don't travel often or don't use airline connected to American Express. Travelers that can enjoy their flight without luxuries included and don't find them necessary. People with modest spending habits. Let's focus on the rewards. Flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel earn cardholders flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel. earn cardholders 5x membership rewards points up to $500,000 in expenditures per calendar year. Additionally, you get 1 point for every dollar spent on all other transactions, and 5x membership rewards points on prepaid hotel reservations made through American Express Travel. You may use your points to book flights and other forms of travel. More than a dozen airlines and hotels accept the transfer of membership rewards points, often at 1.1 ratio. Additionally, you can exchange them for gift cards, prepaid lodging, rental cars, and cruises. Now for the welcome bonus. After making $6,000 in transactions with a card over the first 6 months of card membership, you will receive 80,000 membership reward points. The annual fee is $695. When it comes to the intro APR, it's unknown, but the regular APR is 20.49% to 27.49% variable. Now the balance transfer fee is unknown, and the foreign transaction fee is $0. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. That wraps up what I believe are some of the best credit cards for airline miles for 2023. Of course, there are more of them, and I can cover them in another video if you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. I'll see you in the next video.